In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add user in Bitbucket Repository. Whether you're collaborating on a team project or sharing your work with a colleague, managing user access correctly is essential for secure and efficient collaboration. Let's get started. First, log in to Bitbucket Cloud. Open your web browser, go to the Bitbucket login page, and sign in using your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your Bitbucket dashboard, where you can see all the repositories you have access to. From the dashboard, navigate to the repository you want to share. You can either select it from the list or use the search bar to quickly find it if you manage multiple repositories. Once the repository is open, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the Invite button. This option allows you to manage access for users and teams. After clicking Invite, choose the option to Add Users. This ensures you're adding individual collaborators rather than groups. Next, enter the user's Bitbucket username or email address. Make sure the information is correct to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. If you're using an email address, double-check for spelling errors. Now, select the appropriate permission level. Bitbucket offers 3 main roles. Read allows the user to view and clone the repository. Write allows the user to push code and contribute changes. Admin provides full control, including repository settings. Choose the permission level carefully to maintain the security and integrity of your project. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm. This will send an invitation to the user, granting them access based on the permissions you selected. And that's it. You've successfully added a user to your Bitbucket repository. With proper access management, collaboration becomes smoother, safer, and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!